Waiting to call. Yay! Good morning everyone. Today is Ayla's 2 months checkup. I think my eyebrows is a little bit too dark. I don't like the color. I picked the wrong color of eyebrows. It's too dark. It's fine. It's a little bit too dark. But anyways, I already put it on. I don't want to take it off and redo it again. I'm just gonna deal with it today. But yes, Ayla's 2 months appointment. Ayla's 2 months checkup today. So she's getting a shot. So Kawawang baby. He's gonna get a maybe 2 shots. I don't know. We'll see. Waiting to call. Yay! Hi, Ayla.
Say, do you want a needle in your leg?
Hello. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Honey, you're answering somebody's wrong.
What do you mean?
Do you keep your baby's sleep area free from all objects and soft bedding, blankets, pillows, buffers,
Oh yes.
Yeah, you said no.
Good job. No. I mean yes.
Good job. Hi.
I'll show it when you're bigger.
Yeah, don't show her now.
Is it
Oh,
good?
Okay. Oh,
Flavored it?
it's kind of like cherry flavor.
Oh.
Yeah. They had to put something in, otherwise she would hate it.
Good job, baby. Okay, and then Dad, if you want to hold her hands,
You can do it. I'm not.
legs.
Mm-mm.
One in her right and 2 in her left. Okay, honey. 1, 2, 3.
She felt it.
Good.
Yeah, she reacted.
Sorry.
Got it,
Okay.
honey.
that. You're done.
Hey, I know. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay. She's all right.
Cry, baby.
You get some shots?
How many shots is this?
3.
3? Oh.
3 shots. Here you go. Oh, you got some boogers. Want me to get your boogers?
Yay! Done for her doctor's appointment.
Yeah, that's the
With Ella.
possibility. No, let me go first.
Your car, you're doing something.
Doing something.
Can't
I
figure out.
think he's gonna back into a spot there. I want to get her them big round mirrors too. I need to buy them for this car because she just can't see enough. And when I put a round mirror up there on the outside, at least it gives her more of a vision of what's around. So I feel like I can't see enough without. My car always had round things too. Or those
Can't
little-
tell what this guy's doing. He's back out.
Alright, we're home now. Ayla fall asleep in the car, but now she's awake. I just need to check her like every 2 hours for her temperature. She might be get a little bit fever. For her shots today, she got 3 shots today. And also those medicine, vitamins medicine that they put it in her mouth. So yeah, she might be get a little fever maybe. Right now she don't have a fever yet. We'll see. Maybe I'm gonna check her every 2 hours just to make sure if she have a fever or not for the shots that she get today. So that's all. So that's all for. Say hi, Ayla. Keep rubbing your face. Your face is start getting so dry with rubbing your face. Yeah, you're okay. Let me see the band-aid that the nurse put in your leg. You're right down right there. So yeah, done with her 2 months checkup, and her next checkup is 4 months. So yay, finally she got those shots that she needs. And that's it for Ayla's 2 months checkup. I like the foundation that I used today. It's look like just my natural skin color. So yeah, I hate those foundation that doesn't match my skin tone, and also when I put it on to my face like kiki, like I have too much foundation going on to my face. I do not like that. I do have a couple foundation upstairs that it looks like what do you call that? It looks like every time I use it, it looks like I have too much foundation going on to my face. I like the foundation that it's look like just the I like the foundation that it look like just my skin color. So this foundation is like look like really just my skin color. I love that. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Just Ayla's 2 months checkup. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much again for watching everyone. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!